My prototype on a whole is basically a generator that converts the kinetic energy from water to electrical energy through the use of a fan, pulley system, and generator. Unfortunately, due to the need for recording, I could not pressurize water and jet it at the propeller. Therefore, I used a drill to simulate the water hitting the fan and in turn rotating it. The RPM showed by the trials were much faster, so with improvements such as less friction, I will be able to achieve that speed. Anyhow, as the fan turns, the metal screw-like shaft also turns with it, and so does the red pulley wheel, transferring the kinetic energy throughout the generator. By a series of nuts, all the parts have been attached together. I devised this pulley system to drastically increase the RPM. The red wheel is around 6 times larger than the generator wheel in radius, which proportionally increases the RPM and energy produced. This is a major feature as the larger the circle, the more revolutions the small pulley wheel turns. The rubber belt connects the system, reducing energy lost. Some areas of improvement, as shown, are the stability of the pulley, which stops the vibration on the rubber belt, and increasing the size of the larger pulley to create more energy. The generator wheel, as shown, is spinning very quickly and has converted the kinetic energy into usable electrical energy. The yellow LED light is a signal that the voltage and current is passing. At this point, I stopped the water simulator, which was the drill, and restarted it, turning in the opposite way, which caused a red light. This was not just for a light show, but the generator provides more energy rotating anti-clockwise than the negligible amount rotating clockwise. This is because as generators spin, power is only produced when one side can rotate up through the magnetic field to induce a potential difference or voltage. The generator has been clamped and I soldered a positive and negative wire onto the terminals. The knot was just to protect the wires from falling out too far. On the other side of the wooden box, 2 crocodile clips were attached to pass on the electrical energy. A major downside to this is that some energy may have leaked due to the non-insulated connection. Wires from the multimeter are attached onto the other side of the connection and continue downwards until it reaches the multimeter. Currently, it measures the voltage, but the dial can change to measure resistance. With both measurements, the current and wattage can be easily calculated. The drill is spinning at a mediocre speed, resembling the sideways and pressurized method. The prototype also has an opening on the other side of the wooden box. This is clearly labeled with an arrow and acts as a door that can be used to check up on the productivity of the generator. Inside, the pulley system is manually connected to the fan, as shown, and will produce electricity. Overall, this model is just a prototype and gives a basis for the possibilities this sustainable invention can have on households. It basically converts kinetic energy from the pressurized water into usable electrical energy.